Old booster that had brake fluid leaking into it. Old master that was pissing brake fluid everywhere. Look! New combination. Ready to roll. What do you think? Oh my god.
Pretty.
Yeah? Alright, so that's ready to go. That's ready to be bench bled. Yes, dear.
Nothing. Just get by.
Let's get kind of a measurement here. So this Heim joint situation here gets put on there correctly. That's what we be. So next step's gonna be, we're gonna start on the brake stuff. What?
Hearing shit. Losing it.
You hearing things?
Hearing things. Yay, I get a week vacation. Yeah, start showing some leg. They make some extra money now.
Scotty's gonna be gone. There's gonna be a day where I'm gonna be the only one here. It's gonna be so quiet. I have no one to come up and go, good kitty. I don't know how many videos I've done that in, but I'm gonna get beaten. Anyway, so back to the lab again, yo. After we bleed this, Mr. Burns, these two fittings here need to come out. Actually, we'll have Xander pull those now with line wrenches and clean them up real nice, get them ready to go. Read this out.
You can actually technically put that in the scrap pile.
Then that can go to the scrap pile. That can come off of there, and then that can go in the scrap pile. Just need a good measurement.
Measurement or thread count?
Thread count would be killer. Thread count from the end?
Yeah.
Or thread count from one way or the other? Yeah, because it's the same one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
I made sure I got the exact same deal.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Let's do it.
All right. Right now, or later?
Right now.
All right, let's go. Break.